And over here, you'll see lots of
Hi guys, so for today's video, we have a new parcel here.
When they are the
Just
same,
arrived and
you say stop.
so ay nga siya bugat siya and siya mga damage. I mean ang iyahang bubble wrap nangagisi here.
It's a
Now let's see.
Alright, you say go with me and find the matching picture. Are you ready? Ready, set, go!
This is from ano ni siya kaning
Did you say
15,000 G ang iyahang
Are they
weight.
the same? Do they
Quantity niya isa lang ni kabuo.
snake? Snake. They're a match. Well
So I'm just hoping na wala siya damage. So my baby there, the pup, is excited to look at this. Wow, let's see what's inside.
Wow, what's that?
Well done.
What's this?
Ready,
Here's a part.
set, go!
Wow.
Did you say stop? Alright, let's check if they're the same. Cow. Cow. They're a match. They're the same. Well done. Yay. Okay, let's do one last game. What's that? It's a cat. A cat.
So I think these are the parts. So nagisi ang iyahang nakabubble wrap ni.
Cute. Alright, let's do the matching cat. Ready, set, go!
Here.
Stop. Are they the same?
Sit down na, sit down.
This one's a cat. This
Okay, sit down, sit down. You wait for mommy to get done with this.
they're not the same. No. Let's keep going. Go!
I want to pop that.
Last one.
I want
Are
to pop.
they the same? Let's check. Cat.
So naara ang iyahang
They're the same.
symbol
Well
instruction.
done.
That's it. So I'm just hoping na wala siya mga damages.